Roy, Brett with Brett's Auto Reviews here, and today I want to talk about something not quite automotive related. I do got the Hot Wheels in the background and the Ford Performance shirt on and the 22 Joey Logano hat, two-time NASCAR champion. So it's kind of automotive related. Anyways, I want to talk about YouTube and the YouTube Partner Program, and one of the items specifically in the YouTube Partner Program. For you, those of you that don't know, the YouTube Partner Program is a program that YouTube started in around 2012, 2013, where the creators of the content on YouTube would be eligible to get some of the funds from the advertisements that are played on the videos. So YouTube gets a percentage and the creator gets a percentage, and that's how people make money on YouTube. And my personal channel here is not monetized or part of the YouTube Partner Program. You have to have 1,000 subscribers, and I believe it's 4,000 hours of watch time before that can happen. I think I got watch time, but not enough subscribers. Not a big deal. I have a main channel that I have that is part of the program, and it's been really a blessing for me and my family on that channel. But there is one thing I want to talk about today. I went out to breakfast this morning and I had a muffin with bacon and some hash browns and a coffee, of course. Speaking of restaurants, I always wanted to open up a Waffle House, but we don't have Waffle Houses here in Wisconsin, so I can't even become a franchisee unless I move to Southern Illinois or Kentucky or Tennessee, and I'm not going to do that. Anyways, and my waitress, she filled up my coffee 2 or 3 times, and she brought me my food. Was very pleasant. She knows me, and very friendly all the time, so I thank her for that. The breakfast was good, and it was only like $12, and I think I gave like a almost $5 tip. And that's really what I want to talk about today, is tips and tipping in reference to the YouTube Partner Program. They offer a button, which many people I don't think even know about, to basically give the creator a donation. It can be $1, $2, $10, $50, $100. There's really no limit to how much you can give a creator, and there's a button on the video that you can do that. And I don't even think many people know of it, because I believe the button is not a great button. And it's called the Super Thanks button, and they came out with this about a year ago, maybe 2 years ago already. But basically, it's a button where you can donate to the creator of the content and give them what I would consider a tip for their content. And I actually have a video on this channel just doing some tests and stuff where I show you how to find the door code on a Lincoln MKZ. So what that does is it helps you find the door code, so you don't have to go to the dealership, have them hook it up to a scanner and figure out the door code, because they're going to charge you $100, $150, and you're going to have to spend the time to make an appointment, drive there, have it done, pay the money, and come back. And then you have your door code, and then you can program your own door code, etc., etc. So it's a service that is provided to the public, where I show you how to get that for free. And some of my videos on my main channel, I have almost 200,000 views on one of my door code videos. And I'm providing a service, I'm saving people money, and I think it would be really cool if people that were really thankful, because I get tons of comments about how I've saved people hundreds of dollars, and very thankful, and thousands of likes on these videos. And I just don't think that the Super Thanks button is effective. I think people don't know what it means, don't understand it, and depending on which device you're on, if you're on a computer, it's usually like right down in the lower right hand part of the screen, where people can click it, and it's a heart with a $sign in it, and it says thanks. And actually, I've done an illustration of what it looks like, and then I think it should be called the tip jar. And I got an illustration for that too. So this is, let me know what you think. So this is what it currently looks like. See, it's it's a heart with a $sign in it, and then it says thanks, and it's just a button. Now you can't see it on this video, but go into any other YouTube video that's monetized and you'll see this button. And then you can donate to that creator if they helped you out. I don't think it's a good button. No offense to whoever created that button, but I don't think it's a good button. This is what I think it should be. It should be called a tip jar, and they should have like a glass jar with coins and $1. Obviously, don't make fun of my art here because I'm not an artist. My sister's an artist. I am not. But I think somebody could probably do a better icon than that, but call it the tip jar. I think that would resonate really well with a lot of people out there. For example, I've got some videos that have 200,000 views. So 200,000 people have found their door code using my video. And, you know, just imagine if even if half of those people tipped. Be $100,000 after YouTube takes their cut. $70,000. That's a lot of money. That'd be huge. And that's just one video. You know, I've got hundreds of videos on my other channel, and if, you know, people found it helpful, save them money. I'm not out here saying that I need tips or give me tips. I'm just saying, you know, providing a service. If people want to tip, they should know that they can tip. And I don't think the super thanks button does that. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comments below. This is my first time ever doing a YouTube idea video, so I'd like to hear everybody's feedback on it. Maybe this will gain traction. Maybe I'll get 200 views on it. I don't know. So anyways, have a great day, and thank you so much for checking out the video. And if you like the content, remember to like, subscribe, and share on my YouTube channel, which is Brett's Auto Reviews, and we can do more YouTube videos or any type of videos that you want. I got Hot Wheels, I've got cars, I've got Airstreams, I've got stuff I can do, videos on just about anything. Thanks for checking out the video. Have a great day and have a great week. And all right, remember to tip your waiters and waitresses.